There may be another legal problem developing for the president's acting attorney general. This one involves whether Matt Whitaker received funds for his 2014 Senate campaign when he was still working for the federal government. Correspondent Ellison Barber has details.
It's wonderful to be here.
A federal investigative agency has opened a case file to review allegations that Acting Attorney General Matthew Whitaker violated the Hatch Act. A spokesperson for the U.S. Office of the Special Counsel, an independent federal and prosecutorial agency which is not related to the team led by Robert Mueller, says the OSC received 2 complaints. At issue are campaign contributions. Whitaker ran for Senate in 2014. According to Federal Election Commission filings, Whitaker for U.S. Senate received 4 contributions in January and February of this year. At the time, Whitaker worked as chief of staff to Attorney General Jeff Sessions. The Department of Justice declined to comment, but a source close to Whitaker pointed Fox News to a 2001 advisory opinion from OSC. It says, quote, an agent or the campaign organization of a candidate who later became a federal employee could continue to organize and promote fundraising events to retire campaign debt.
He's the one who has a $50,000 loan out to the campaign. That money, if it's being used for debt, would be coming to him. He should be disclosing it. So if he gets out of the Hatch Act violation, he may be walking in to a financial disclosure problem, which can carry perjury charges.
From the moment President Trump named Matthew Whitaker acting attorney general, his past has come under fire.
He's called for, quote, pulling the reins back on the Russia investigation. That's hardly a neutral arbiter.
3 Democratic members of the Senate Judiciary Committee are challenging his appointment in court.
Once I choose somebody, they always go through hell.
Some Democrats say a potential Hatch Act violation is enough to prove Whitaker should not serve as acting AG.
The Hatch Act just acts one more thing to a rather long line of very serious questions. Bottom line is, he should leave. He should leave now.
American Oversight describes itself as a nonpartisan organization. The executive director worked as a State Department attorney under the Obama administration. Mike?
Ellison Barber live here in Washington. Ellison, thank you.